So hi everyone, very good morning. So myself CSVS subject and my project is smart keyboard for tribal languages. So what is first of all think what is smart keyboard? It is just what you daily use in your mobiles keyboards where you can use a Google keyboard and your Microsoft keyboard. So we are building our own keyboard so where the tribal language can use. So for many keyboard do not support the language like Sanskrit or Santali language or and another language will have tribal mainly used. So we are building a smart keyboard for where user can use. So even though they do not know the language of English, so they can chat with their own language. So now come down, what is our objectives? So you have to build a, you have to design a keyboard that user can easily understand, and they have to know the languages like for Telugu people have ka. So we have to add something where user can easily understand and type their own languages. And another proper statement is very basic. So we can support the voice where you can give your voice in the text you got, and it also supports the and another language translations and other so on. Now, you know what is the main function I have told you. So, you have to build a smart keyboard for tribal language so they can daily use their apps. So the first solution you are building a smart keyboard app for mobile application very suitable for any smart devices and a custom keyboard where user can custom their keyboards. And AI powered prediction type like auto correction and auto error handling and auto wait. Where you can also support a AI chatbot which is having our own smart keyboard, switching tribal language, English or other languages and other functions which daily use. So in our keyboard have a smart file features like word predictions and auto correction and translation in English or Telugu or Marathi and other languages. And it also work in offline because you have to download your own data set in your own mobile. It is very lightweight also. So for technical, so for front end you use Java and as well as XML, which is like a HTML for mobile application for XML. And for the back end is Java mainly used. And for the data set, we are building a data set of our own, like from the ABC to Z. And same for other languages also. For the backend storage, you are using the mobile storage only. You can see the system workflow. When you already know how the system workflow work in the keyboard, like you daily use the keyboard, but our keyboard also works same. So implementation for our project had came from the phase 1 where you can have a layout of your keyboard as well as support of Telugu, Hindi and Marathi languages, and as well as other features like auto correction and translation is working on phase 1. Now next phase we are working on the AI model which is support chatbot and as well as other languages Santali and other Marathi and languages. And in the future, we are also implementing to support all the worldwide languages also. Thank you for giving this opportunity.